Are you ready to transform your body in just 30 days? Welcome to your ultimate home workout guide, where we're going to sweat, push our limits, and most importantly, have fun. This high-energy routine is designed to maximize calorie burn and sculpt your body, all from the comfort of your own home. We're focusing on 13 powerful bodyweight exercises, from lunges and squats to challenging push-ups and side plank pulses. Each exercise is performed in a series of 14 repetitions, creating a rhythmic pattern that keeps you engaged and motivated. The best part? No gym or equipment is needed. These exercises are all about using your own body weight to build strength, tone muscles, and boost your overall fitness. This routine is more than just a workout. It's a fun and effective way to get fit at home and to embrace a healthier, more active lifestyle. So, are you ready? Get ready to embark on a 30-day journey to a stronger, leaner, and more toned you. Before we jump into the workout, always remember to warm up your body. Warming up is like telling your body, hey, we're about to do something awesome. Get ready. It's all about preparing your muscles and joints for the physical activity to come. Picture yourself as a runner at the starting line, your heart pounding with anticipation. This is where we need to be mentally before we begin. Now, let's get physical. Start with some gentle neck and shoulder rolls to loosen up. Follow this with arm circles both forward and backward. Then let's get our heart rates up a little with some light jogging on the spot. Remember, the aim is not to exhaust yourself but to get the blood flowing. Finish off with some leg swings and remember to breathe deeply throughout. Now that our bodies are warmed up, let's dive into the workout. Let's kick things off with lunges. They are great for toning your thighs and glutes. Start by standing straight, step forward with one foot, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle, not pushed out too far. Your other knee should not touch the floor. Keep the weight in your heels as you push back up to the starting position. Well done. Lunges are a great start to our workout. Next up, we have squats followed by side lunges. Squats are a brilliant way to build lower body strength and endurance. Start with your feet hip-width apart. Lower your body as if you're about to sit on a chair, keeping your back straight and your chest lifted. Push through your heels to rise back up to standing. Remember to engage your core and squeeze your glutes at the top. Now, let's move on to side lunges. Stand tall with your feet together. Take a wide step out to the side with your right foot, bending your right knee and pushing your hips back. Your left leg should remain straight. Then push off your right foot to return to standing. Repeat on the other side. Side lunges are fantastic for targeting the inner and outer thighs while also engaging your core. Both these exercises, when done correctly, can contribute immensely to your lower body strength. Great job! You're doing fantastic. Ready for more? Let's do squat and kick, followed by leg pulls. Start with your feet hip-width apart. As you squat down, keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. When you come up, kick your right leg out in front of you. Squat again and then kick with your left leg. That's one repetition. Make sure your movements are controlled and deliberate. This isn't about speed, it's about precision. Now, let's move to leg pulls. Stand straight, raise your right leg back and up while keeping your body straight. Then, pull it back down. Repeat this with your left leg. It's like you're trying to kick the ceiling with your heel. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. These exercises are not just about strengthening your muscles, they're also about improving your balance and coordination. You're doing great. Keep it up. Next, we are moving to the upper body with push-ups and side plank pulses. Let's dive right into it. Start with push-ups. Position yourself face down on the floor, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push yourself back up. This classic move is a great full body exercise that focuses on your chest, shoulders, and core. Now let's switch to side plank pulses. Lie on your side with your bottom elbow and side of your foot supporting your body. Raise your hips to form a straight line from head to feet, then lower and raise your hips in a pulsing motion. This exercise is a fantastic way to target those oblique muscles and enhance your core stability. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about form and control. Keep breathing and keep pushing. You're doing amazing. Fantastic work so far. You're really pushing through. Now, let's focus on the core and back with single leg bridges and snow angels. To start with single leg bridges, lie on your back with your knees bent. Extend one leg towards the ceiling. Press your weight onto your grounded heel, raising your hips off the ground. Lower your hips back down and repeat. This exercise is a powerhouse for strengthening the glutes and hamstrings while engaging your core. Transitioning to snow angels, remain on your back. Extend your arms and legs as if you're creating an angel in the snow. This movement challenges your abdominal and lower back muscles, improving your overall core strength. Remember, it's not about speed, but control. The slower you go, the more your muscles have to work. So take your time, breathe, and focus on the movement. Keep your form clean and listen to your body. Great job, you're almost there. Let's wrap up the workout with toe touches and tricep dips. Starting with toe touches, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Raise your right arm and simultaneously lift your left leg, trying to touch your toes mid-air. Lower and switch sides. This exercise is all about balance and control, engaging your core and stretching your hamstrings. Moving on to tricep dips, find a sturdy chair or bench. Sit on the edge, hands next to your hips. Slide off the edge, supporting your weight with your hands. Lower your body by bending your elbows, then push back up. This targets your triceps, the muscles at the back of your upper arms. Remember, it's not about speed but controlled movements. These exercises are fantastic for working multiple muscle groups at once, and they're perfect for those days when you're short on time but still want to get a good workout in. You've done an amazing job. Let's finish strong. Our final exercise for today is wood choppers. Now this is a fantastic move for total body strength and stability. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Imagine you're holding an axe in your hands. Raise your arms above your head to one side as if you're about to chop a piece of wood. Then swing your arms down and across your body in a diagonal line, twisting your torso as you go. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the movement. This exercise not only helps sculpt your abs, but it also works your shoulders, back and legs. Plus, it's a great way to get your heart rate up. Perform 14 repetitions, then switch sides and do the same. Remember, the key is controlled, steady movements. Don't rush through it. With wood choppers, you're not just swinging your arms, you're transforming your body. Congratulations, you've completed the workout. Well done for pushing through this workout. You're one step closer to your fitness goals. And just like that, you've powered through another session of our transformative bodyweight exercises. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've accomplished today. Starting with lunges, moving on to squats and side lunges, we've given our legs a good burn. Then we moved on to the squat and kick, followed by leg pulls, pushing our lower body even further. But we didn't stop there. We followed with push-ups and side plank pulses, effectively targeting our upper body. The single leg bridges and snow angels then allowed us to focus on our core and back muscles, building strength and stability. Finally, we rounded off with toe touches, tricep dips, and wood choppers, ensuring every muscle group got their share of the action. The beauty of this routine is that it's not just about burning calories or building muscle. It's about creating a sustainable habit, a lifestyle change that will keep you fit and healthy in the long run. Each exercise in this routine has been carefully chosen to maximize its impact on your body. And the best part? You can do it all in the comfort of your home at your own pace. Now your journey doesn't end here. Remember, this is a 30-day challenge and we're in it together every step of the way. So make sure you do this workout every day. It might seem tough at first, but as the days go by, you'll find yourself getting stronger and more capable. Before you know it, you'll be smashing through the routine with ease. However, don't forget to listen to your body. If you need to take a day off for rest, do so. Your health and well-being are paramount. But when you're ready, come back stronger and keep pushing. Remember, consistency is key. Subscribe for regular workout updates and let's transform your body together in 30 days.